So this is a second lesson in Python. I'm just going to cover a few more basics, which will be used when we do some simple encryption techniques. So in this lesson, I'll just give you a taste of a for loop and a taste of some very useful functions like range and length. So let's say if I went here and said name is equal to, I'll just put a string. I won't put an input. I'll just put a string here, James Bond. But you can actually put it as an input. Any variable which is set here can be taken as an input. So we are just going to do just we put a name. Now, if I say print len name, let's see what it does. So this is 10 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 characters. If I say print length name, that means, so I can always say uh, my length length equal to length name, and then I can print my length. Same thing. Make sense? I'm taking using a function len, applying it onto this variable name which is holding James Bond, and I'm storing it in another variable called my length. I'm saying print my length. You'll still get the same thing. Or you can just go print. Then you see, you can reduce your lines of code if you do things smartly. You should do things smartly. Now, let's see if I go and say something like, I'm going to keep this aside for now. I'm just going to keep these two things aside for now. Remember comments. So comments. What if I say range? If I say range of 10 and I print it, I say print range 10. What does range do? So range of from 0 to 10. Okay. Let me think of this in another way. Uh, it will go from 0 to 10. When I say when I put range of 10 in a variable called x, and then I print x. Well, an error here. So I'm getting that range. Now, if I put instead of 10, what if I say length of name? It should give me the same thing. Oh, it's saying name is not defined. Okay, I've got name here. I've got length name here because I have commented it out. Now it should be fine. You see, it was not defined. Not defined is my error. Where did I define it? I had commented it out. It's not part of the code. So James Bond is in name, and then I'm saying I'm trying to get the range in this. Now you see, if I say for I, and I always like to use I in a for loop, for I in for I in name, I'm just going to do an indent and say print name I. What will this do? Let's comment this out. Let's comment the range out for a second. Let's stop this out for now. So that's a for loop. Um, what I was expecting was I was expecting it to give me things like, let me get rid of the for and let me just try this in a different way. No indent because there's no follow. Print name is 0. What does that give me? Should give me a J. Yeah. Now let's for a second look at arrays here. You see, I have a diagram here. Where is array? So you see the first element, the counting starts from 0. So the 0th element is the first element. The first element is the second. So this is our normal counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But a computer counts this way, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So a computer counts differently to the way we count. So name 0 gives us J. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I say 4, I'm expecting an S. Okay? And 4, 5. If I say 6, I'm expecting a B. So now let's do something more with this. I was trying to put it in a for loop and get everything for I in, let me put a range, and I'm going to put length of name. So what is the length of the name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the length of the name. So for I in the range of 10, if I actually print it out, I'll get 0 to 9. Okay. Let me show you. For I in the, I might have forgotten the colon last time. So I need to put an indent because it's a for loop. Print name 6. Print name I. Let me just print I. Let me see what numbers I'm getting. So I'm getting 0 to 9. See, I'm getting 0 to 9. Very important. So now if I say print name I, so it's going to go name 0, name 1. So we know name 0 was J. We tried name 4 was S. We should now get this out. We should now get our characters back. See? So we have put a loop and we've got this. Now we are going to use this for loop. Save it. We're going to use this. We're going to use this in encryption. So we can encrypt and decrypt. We can add a bit of the offset to each of these characters, change them, and when we read them back, we can subtract the offset. Okay, very useful code using range and length. Length gives the total number of characters. Range goes from 0 to 9. If I just say print I, it will give me all the numbers which you saw earlier. I'll show it to you again. So I can add something to this value and encrypt it, okay, and change it back to a character. So we will use this script. We will use this script for one of our tasks. So I'm going to follow these two tutorials by two tasks. One is an encryption task and one is a task to find a particular code using some mathematics.